Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I am back with another very good question from physics, and the chapter is Kinematics motion 1D. So let's focus on the question. The question says that the point moves linearly such that dv by dt is equal to minus alpha under root v, where alpha is a positive constant. At start, v is equal to v0. Find the distance traveled by the particle before it stops. What time will it take to cover that distance? So this type of question may seem little bit difficult, but with the help of integration and differentiation, we can really very easily find out the solutions of these questions. So as you can see, the acceleration is in the opposite direction of velocity, because alpha is also positive, so acceleration will be in the opposite direction of velocity. So at some point of time, the particle will stop, right? And after so we have to find out the time taken by the particle to stop and the distance traveled by the particle when it stops. Okay, so now let's try to solve this question. Dv by dt is equal to minus alpha under root v. So as you know, this is the acceleration, and acceleration is also written as v dv upon ds, which is equal to minus alpha under root v. So v dv under root v is equal to minus alpha ds. So now here ds and limit, upper limit as, lower limit 0, and here under root v dv. So yeah, like dv, initially the velocity is v0, and at the time it stops, the velocity will be 0. So minus alpha s, and it will be 0. Like in this way, the integration of this will be 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. So 2 by 3 v is to 3 by 2, and minus, because in finally is 0, so 0 minus this and minus alpha s. So we got our s, which is the distance traveled by the particle before it stops. And now we have to find out the time it will take to stop, right? So again, the same formula, dv by dt is equal to minus alpha under root v. So dv under root v is equal to minus alpha dt, and just like here, there will be v minus 1 by 2 dv minus alpha dt. So it will be alpha t, and plus 1 by 2, so 2 under root v. So 2 under root v divided by alpha is equal to c t. So this is the time taken by the particle to stop, and this is the distance traveled by the particle before it stops. So this type of questions are pretty easy, and with the help of integration and differentiation, we can solve these questions very easily. Okay, thank you so much.